line to ride the ride. Their version of poker, I guess. Alright, we're in line. And as you can see, they got a whole workshop down below. Maintenance area.
No, don't touch anything! This is the first time those little suckers have moved since we brought the engine in here. Oh, no! They stopped! Oh, no, it's not going to yet. What? Well, we're not going to get a lot of smuggling, transporting done without an engine, now are we?
Engine mechanics.
Good. The exchange, nominal. Primary injectors functioning normally. Could they get this guy working yet?
This is just the line from the Millennium Falcon. Pretty cool.
And prepare yourself for an exciting career in the laughter-filled world of interstellar shipping.
Millennium Falcon, okay, at the top of it.
Yeah, but why does it have
Alright, we're getting warmer.
Are we all in? Good, good, good. For those who don't know me, I am Pablo Naka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Naka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler, a businessman, is never done. I have many, many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on the fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Your lives and profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships.
Alright, we're going in.
green? Okay?
Green,
Go ahead,
green,
go right
green.
on it. Remember green.
Remember green. Green means go. Here we go.
Green. Perfect. Come on in. Roam around. Listen out for that color.
Yeah. first. You're waiting to get on a ride, and then they start going around.
Hondo is ready for us. Get in. Carlos, we're gonna head down the short hallway. Get in. Explain all your safe travels, everyone. Flag curve, find the color yellow. Yellow, you go right over there. Right over there. Yellow, pilot.
Alright, what are we doing here? Yeah. Did he say yellow? Or green? Well, we're waiting to get on board. Sasha and me are gunners. So we're going to take control of the Darth Vader people. Here we go.
First time for everyone? Awesome. You'll be doing left to right today. You'll be doing up and down. Up and down is inverted because we're flying. That just means push yourself to go up, push to go down. Super easy. Gunners, anything that are shooting at us or is standing in our way, go ahead and shoot back, please. Just hold those buttons next to your console to shoot. No engineers, which means no pressure, no crash. Try not to get shot at. This way, please.
Alright, Sasha. The pressure's on.
There's no such thing as pressure.
Okay, we shall see. We are gunners.
Just kidding. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
You're going to have to channel your inner video game, Sasha.
We don't have engineers. No pressure.
We don't need no engineers.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings.
Younglings.
Alright, go ahead and buckle in. It's in the upper middle. Buckle in from all sides. Alright, go ahead and tug on the yellow tab for me, pilot. The yellow tab. Tug on yours. Alright, push the flashing button just right here.
Fair enough. Time is money. Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it. This thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right, make the jump to light speed.
Oh God, hold on.
Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire! There it is. After that train.
Crazy!
Pilot brakes! Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoons. Behind It's harder than it looks. Gosh. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Let's pilot! Hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will let us in remotely. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Good job.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker.
Oh, no.
All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull.
We're not over yet.
Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another raptor loose in here. I am not cleaning that out. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? Time for you to go. And don't worry, payment is on the way. Trust me.
All right. That was awesome. Good job, pilot.
Transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing
Thank
is
you.
practically scrap metal.
That was fun.
Yeah.
All right. That was pretty awesome, I must say.
So the fires, hope we had a good run.
Yes, we did.
Excellent.
Thank you. Like a life-size video game. Okay, I bet we're going to be dumped into a store, Sasha. It's a long walk out of here, huh? I guess this way. All these little corridors. Oh, back to the heat. And finished.